Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP. Your daily update. We're going to do a full technical update. We'll talk about some fundamentals, or at least some more statistics and numbers that are more related to the fundamentals than the technicals. Basically, everything you need to know. All right, so that's what we'll do. I'll try to keep it short. I won't waste too much of your time. Maybe we'll talk a little bit about the situation in the world right now and how that could affect XRP, but I doubt it, all right? We'll talk about Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is doing. Like what we're seeing right now is a very strong dollar strength index, which usually results in a very weak Bitcoin. And we have already seen the effects of that and just the normal price action of XRP. This night, or at least this Monday for those in Asia, the last couple of hours, we've already seen that. So we'll talk about that. It was already the most likely scenario, like we talked about this in the last video as well, the possibility of this happening and what the implications would be. So we'll do a quick recap of that update, and then we'll talk about what to expect from here. All right. So hopefully, in the end, you're optimally prepared for everything that can happen with XRP, and you know what's the most likely scenario for the price. That's at least the goal. For now, let's get into it. I do want to briefly remind you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. There's a chat room, there's a trading guide. So if you want to become a better trader while also profiting from, for example, trades on BNT, which we took a trade on, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. But now onto XRP. All right. So what I said, I believe it was yesterday, but what I said in my last update on XRP is that the situation for XRP looks pretty clear, all right? That this was the market structure. You got bullish momentum here, and then you have a strong resistance practically between 53 and 54 cents, but I thought the most important level would be around 53.3 cents. So that was the situation. And what we already saw yesterday is that XRP was losing a little bit of momentum, right? So the ADX, for example, went down. And when the ADX goes down, that means that the price is no longer trending. And what do you need for a bullish breakout? You need trend, all right? And you need momentum. And the momentum for XRP is actually still pretty fine. Like we looked at that as well. It's relatively high compared to the last 2 weeks, but it's not growing. And the volume is going down, so that's not a good sign. So what I said is that, well, if it breaks down below this level right here at 51.5 cents, which was our main support level right there, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to crash. And even right now, even though XRP is dropping a bit and Bitcoin also doesn't look too strong, it doesn't mean that XRP will crash from here, but it does mean that it will probably not get that bullish breakout. All right, right now, the most likely scenario, because this market structure is broken, the most likely scenario now is that XRP is in some sort of a range. And if we're looking at the EMAs, which are usually in the middle of that range, then the range would be something like this on the short term with a potential to drop down even lower. But that's something we'll have to see, right? That depends on how XRP reacts to the bottom of the range, which is around 51 and 50.5 cents. So that is also when looking at the dollar strength index and Bitcoin's reaction, that is the most likely scenario, all right? That XRP will drop down towards that level. Now, after I say that, I must say that it's a Monday, all right? And Mondays, usually because a lot of volume gets into the markets, new volume gets into the markets, usually that means that Mondays are quite volatile and relatively unpredictable. So even though this technically looks like the most likely scenario, it is practically still possible that XRP does get that bullish breakout, but then it would be 100% because of Bitcoin. Even though the correlation right now is very, very low, I do still expect that to come from Bitcoin. All right, so right now, most likely scenario is that XRP will drop down towards 51 and 50.5 cents. And then if it barely finds any support, we might drop down all the way to 49 cents again. But keep an eye on Bitcoin. I mean, if Bitcoin breaks above 28,300 today, XRP will follow for whatever reason. All right. So that's my take on XRP for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.